impossible. Yeah, it's hard to mimic somebody today. I'm holding it in my wrong hand, I think.
It doesn't matter as long as you're moving the hands that it says that the yellow hand.
And that's the right hand, Brad.
This is the part I'm really good at. Look at that, perfect.
You better pick up your game, I think.
Oh, Brad's smoking me.
As good as you think you are.
You guys both have a long way before you reach the flag. What's the flag? All the way around that circle, it looks like.
Oh, man. Oh.
Oh, man. This is weird. I like how looking at them, they're both doing completely different things. Whoa. Pretty freaky there. Yeah, I know. What? Do your booty shaking.
How does it sense that?
How can you be doing better than me? We're not even doing it.
You're not looking at me.
Just watch me, Steve.
Everybody's watching this.
Man, you're smoking me. I am? Yeah, you are, Brad. Like, you're almost done, and Steve is maybe 2/3 of the way done. Not quite 2/3.
That's a boy band move right there.
I'm assuming the yellow hand is the one in the room. Yeah.
Maybe that would be why you're not doing so great.
Oh, Brad's about to take it. Oh!